Hello students, now we will begin with another topic in grammar, that is discourse markers or linkers. Under this topic you will learn different type of linking words which are used for different occasions. Linking words indicate higher skill of fluency and an ability to produce and understand authentic language. Which are these linking words? We will see. See, while adding any ideas, you use and as well as moreover. All these are linkers. Then, while expressing any cause or reason, when you are giving any reason, you use the words because, since, as. When you are having an argument, you use the linking words firstly, finally. When you are narrating something, you use before, then, afterwards. Then for any condition, while expressing any condition, you use words unless, but only. While expressing any purpose, in order that, so that, such words are used as linking. Then for expressing contrast, words like however, nevertheless, but, yet, though, such words are used. These words are called as linking words. This is the activity, you have to complete it in your grammar notebook. Now hidden words. This is the very easiest topic in your grammar. What you have to do, one word will be given, and from those words you have to arrange words here and there and make another new word of 4 or 5 letter words. Now this helps in building our vocabulary and it also enhances our mental ability. See, for example, splendor. This word is there. Using these spellings, you have to make another 4 words like L-E-N-D. You have to gather words from here and there and make one meaningful word. The other one is pour. From here only it is made. Then short and proud. Another word is typography. From this word you have to make 4 meaningful words like graph, trophy, trap, goat. Then intergovernmental, internal, govern, mental, ornament. These words are made. This is known as hidden words. These questions are compulsorily asked in your board exam. Now these are the words. From this you have to make meaningful words of 4 letters or 5 letter words. Another topic is alphabetical order. 4 words are given and you have to arrange it alphabetically. Now if you see dictionary, in dictionary the words are arranged alphabetically. First alphabet, second alphabet, third alphabet, like that they are arranged. Like this you have to arrange the words here. See, abscond, abstract, absorb, absent. All these 4 words are beginning in A. A. The second alphabet is also the same. B. Now see the third alphabet. Third alphabet is also S. Now first 3 alphabets are the same. Take the fourth alphabet. Here it is C, T, O, T. Now among these 4 alphabets, what comes first? C. So abscond will come first. Abscond. Then comes O. Absorb, then absent, and then abstract. Take another example. Rural, rustic, royal, rostrum. All these words are beginning in R. The second alphabet is U, O. And so among U and O comes first. So among these 2, second alphabet is O and O. Third alphabet is Y. Here third alphabet is S. So S comes first. So you will write rostrum first and then royal. In another these 2 words, third alphabet is R, here it is S. R comes first. So rural and rustic. Another example is illustrious, illuminate, illiterate, illustrate. In this word, first 3 letters are the same. I-double-L. So take the fourth alphabet. Fourth alphabet is here U, I, U. So I comes first. So illiterate. Then illuminate, illustrate, illustrious. Take the fifth alphabet. In the fifth alphabet, M comes first, then comes S, then comes S. Here again both are beginning in SS. So see the next alphabet. T, T, R, R. Again A comes first and then I. This is very easy. I hope it's clear to you. Do this activity. I hope you understood it. Thank you.